emerging and innovative law firm of the year goes to Mr. Muneesh Dhawan and Mr. Sudhir Jain, managing partner at senior partner at Law Veritas North. Many congratulations.
Hello and welcome to the Leaders Award 2024. Hello sir, hi sir, how are you?
Good, we're fine.
Could you please introduce yourself?
I am Advocate Muneesh Dhawan. I'm managing partner of a law firm named Law Veritas North.
I am Sudhir Jain, Senior Partner, Law Veritas North.
Oh, that's great. Could you please tell us about your company?
Yeah, we are a law firm. In fact, we started around 7 years back. We have experience of around 24 years in the legal profession. So we started a law firm. So we got an award today in emerging and innovative law firm of the year.
Great.
Right, and so far as the law firms are concerned now, it's more about technology and AI driven also, apart from reading books, law books, and appearing in courts and all. Right, so we are into major technology driven law firm. So we cater to banking and insurance, so majorly banking to and insurance companies. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. And congratulations for this award. And I would wish कि आपको और भी बहुत सारे awards मिले in future. And congratulations once again.